I got green, white cats.
I got black zombie stuff.
That's you?
Yeah, I guess. I'm going to go first. Play a Swamp and then play a Shrieking Affliction.
Beginning of each opponent's upkeep, if that player has one or fewer cards in hand, he or she loses 3 life. I'm going to play a Temple Garden. Go ahead.
I'm going to Vampiric Tutor. Take 2 life. Search my library for a card.
Very good.
I don't even have to show you.
Nope, you don't even have to show me.
You just put it right in my hand. Then I'm going to say go.
Dorn Pouncer?
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm going to play a Waste Not.
Whenever an opponent discards a creature card, create a 2/2 black zombie creature token. Whenever an opponent discards a land card, add 2 black mana to your mana pool. Whenever an opponent discards a non-creature, non-land card, draw a card.
Then I'm going to say go.
Are you going to make me discard some cards?
I'm hoping so.
In that case, I want to empty my hand. Johnny's Pride Mate?
Okay.
Land? Combat for 2.
Taking it.
Go ahead.
I'm going to duress you. Choose a non-creature, non-land card. Well, that's a non-creature, non-land card,
Yes,
isn't
it
it?
is.
And then whenever opponent discards a non-creature, non-land card, draw a card, right?
Absolutely.
And then I'm going to play a Butcher Ghoul.
Undying. 1/1 for 2. That comes back. All done?
Yep.
Sun Petal Grove. We're going to play a Regal Caracal. When it comes into play, create 2 cats. I have the City's Blessing. And then let's combat for 3 and a 2/2 double strike. And they all have lifelink.
Oh, I'm going to block 1 here then. I'll destroy block one of the double strike ones.
Okay. Still hits twice. I'm going to gain 7 life. You're going to take 3.
This goes away and then that comes back. With the 1/1 counter on it.
Yep.
Comes a 2/2. And then you have fewer than 3 cards in your hand.
Yep. So at the beginning of my upkeep, I'll lose 3 life.
Okay.
All done?
Yep. That's your turn.
Oh yeah, I attacked.
Yeah.
Your guy died, came back to life.
Yep.
This is a +1/+1,
Okay.
telling me he's got Undying.
So it's my turn.
Yep.
I'm gonna Damnation. Play my Swamp, then Damnation. Destroy all creatures that can't be regenerated.
All done?
Yep.
I'm going to lose 3 life. hand. I am going to eternalize my Adorned Pouncer. Token saying it's eternalized. Now it's a 4/4 double strike.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm going to.
Little discard deck. Any Megrim in there?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to play a Butcher Ghoul and a Digraph Colossus. And that's going to get +1/+1 for each zombie card in my graveyard. I think it's +1/+1. It's a 3/3.
+1/+1 counter?
Yep.
All done?
Yep. I think so.
I have 3 cards in my hand. So I don't lose any life. Regal Caracal comes into play. Create 2 cats.
Okay.
All cats get +1/+1 and have lifelink. Swinging for a 5/5 double strike.
I'm going to block here.
Okay, I'm going to gain 10.
Come back with a +1/+1 counter on it.
Yep. Go ahead.
I'm going to play a Butcher Ghoul.
Butcher Ghoul.
I'm going to play Mesmeric Monkey, and each player discards a card.
Mesmeric.
Whenever an opponent discards a creature card, create a 2/2 black zombie creature token.
Yep.
And then I'm going to swing in with these ones.
Chump blocks.
Okay.
I'm going to gain 4 life. All done?
Yep.
I'm going to lose 3 life. Draw my card. Play a Sun Petal Grove. And then I'm going to come in for 5.
What is he?
It's a 5/5 double strike with lifelink.
What's this one do?
It gives it +1/+1 on lifelink.
So this itself is just a 3/3.
Yep.
I'm going to gang block.
Alright, it deals 5 damage before those deal any damage. So it'll kill all 3 of them before they do anything.
So it doesn't even kill your thing?
Yeah, but it doesn't have trample, so you can totally jump block it. Either way, I'm going to gain 10 life.
How come I can't kill that thing? That doesn't seem right.
You can kill it.
That's what I am. I'm dealing at 5 damage.
Yeah, but it deals 5 damage first strike, and then 5 damage during regular combat.
That's not first strike. That's double strike.
Yeah, it deals during first strike, and then during normal. So, like, it'll deal this 5 damage before these guys deal any damage.
That's what first strike is.
And then it'll deal an additional 5 damage after that.
Well, I mean, double strike just means it deals twice the damage.
No, it deals damage at 2 phases. At first strike damage, and then at regular damage.
Is that what that means?
Yeah.
Whatever. This comes back with a +1/+1 counter on it.
Go ahead.
I'm going to duress. There's a non-creature, non-land card. Well, that one, yep. Whenever opponent discards a non-creature land, draw a card.
Yep.
Play a swamp. Sucks. So how much damage would I have to deal that to kill it?
5. But it's really hard to do it with a creature. Where's your death magic? Combat?
Yeah, I'm all out attacking. I don't fucking care.
I'm gonna block him here. And then I will take the, what, 3, 4, 5?
This guy dies.
Yeah.
And this thing goes up and kicks up into... Well, that's only when it enters
Yep.
the battlefield. That's weak. Alright, go.
At the end of your turn, I'm going to draw a card. With Arc of Araska. And then I'm going to lose 3 life.
Yep.
Draw. The Johnny's Pride Mate.
Yep.
Leon and Vanguard. Move to combat. This gets +1/+1 until end of turn. I gain a life, so that becomes a 3/3. And I am attacking him for 10, 13.
Kill enough to kill me. Alright,
Good
whatever.
game.